Hi guys, Swarup here. Yesterday class we have discussed a few of concepts like what is Cognos, what is the architecture of data warehousing, and what type of data we have, like what is the process, the data warehousing process architecture. We will get a data from the different source systems like CBLC, Oracle, ERP, whatever it is. It's nothing but a OLTP system. We'll extract the data and we will do some transformations and we will load into the data warehousing, which is nothing but a OLAP system. From there we will pull it and we will generate the reports. That means we'll showcase the data reports in a format of reports like pie chart, graph, whatever it is, table view to customer. Basically this is the total architecture of data warehousing. So coming to the data warehousing, little bit inner side of the data warehousing which we are discussing today. So and coming to the data warehousing, we have two type of tables will be there. One is a fact table, another one is a dimension table. This is somewhat another side. Just going forward, just let me discuss with what is a fact table and what is the dimension table. So in simple terms, which we can say, like fact is contains a measured column, measured values. Dimension table is nothing but a descriptive values. But just I want to give a somewhat like inner side of that, what is how to identify that which is a fact table, which is the dimension table. So let me start with dimension table. Basically dimension table is nothing but a primary table. Basically dimension table is nothing but a primary table. Dimension table is a primary table. It's a primary table which contains parent table, which is nothing but it's a parent table which contains primary key, which contains descriptive columns. Like let me take customer table, sir. Customer number will be there. It's nothing but a key. It's nothing but a primary key. Customer name will be there. Customer address will be there. Customer zip code, customer details will be there. Basically coming to the fact table, what is a fact table? It contains some measured values which contains some keys. Keys is nothing but a foreign key, sir. It's not a parent table, it's a child table. So dimension table is a parent table, fact table is nothing but a child table. Fact contains some measured values, some keys is nothing but number of products sold, the value of products sold, the number of products produced, the number of service calls received. That means it contains some measures and some keys. This is nothing but a fact and dimension. Let me go a little bit inner side. Just we may chance to get a question like interview question, what we can say. I have a fact table, I have a dimension table. While data is loading, if I am loading the data, first which table the data will be loaded? This is a very important question in interview point of view. Once the data is loaded, first parent table the data will be loaded. So here which is the parent table, sir? Dimension table is the parent table. Fact is nothing but child table. Then next level fact will be the data will be loaded. First dimension table the data will be loaded, then it will goes to the fact table. Suppose I have a dimension table, I have a fact table, I have an aggregation table. Aggregation table where we will create, sir? On fact table we will create the aggregation table. That means first data will be loaded into dimension table, then fact table, then aggregation table. This is the very important intro question, sir. You may chance to get that intro question. Thanks. We will discuss little bit more on tomorrow's class. Bye.